I'm sorry, welcome to Mast Factory. I'm Angel from Mast. Mast Group is a manufacturer for solar system products, UPS, and frequency converter. Since 1998, with over 20 years development, we have more than 400 employees now. Mast Group headquarters located in Shenzhen City. It's including the international sales office and some of our technical departments, and the production base located in Foshan, just where I stand right now. As you can see, the whole buildings, including 10th floor. Today, me and Zoe will show you one by one. Okay, now let's move to the 3rd floor. It is our office center. Let's go. This is the emergency exit because we are broadcasting, so we cannot use the lift. The 3rd floor is our office area, including a lot of departments. Firstly, this is our reception. And here is the windows for master certificates, including some national certificates, such as the National High-Tech Enterprises, and some international certificates, such as SGS, SAA, CE, etc. Okay, now I will show you the exhibition hall. This picture shows our most important 10 years since 1998 to since 2008 to 2018. It's most important development history in Mast Group Limited. And our missions and visions. The most important vision I like is that where there is individual automation, there are Mast products and service. And in the exhibition hall, we divided into 3 parts. First part is the frequency converters and the solar lighting systems, as you can see, and the products including single phase and 3-phase. The solar lighting system is very convenient for outside activities. And this is the second part. It is showing the solar system products, including inverters, solar inverters, on-grid inverters, and off-grid inverters, and the batteries and solar panels. And this is the 3rd part. It is for our UPS products, which including the interactive UPS, online UPS, modular UPS, and the micro data center UPS. The power range is from 0.3 watts to 140 kilowatts. This is the solar panels from 60 watts to 300 watts. And over the 20 years development, mass service and products already sold into the worldwide countries. This picture shows our main markets. It's including the Africa, Middle East, Europe, Australia, North America, and South America. Okay, now I will show you the details of our office area, including some departments in our factory. This is our human resource department. Our colleagues are working right now. And this is our meeting room. In the middle of this part, there is a purchasing and planning department. And here is the internal control management department. This department is mainly responsible to control the schedule, process in mass factory. And here is the undertake. We need to obey for that. In this part, this is the finance department. And here is our CEO office. CEO is working overtime every day. Hard working.
And this is our Deputy General Manager room. Yes, we can inside and we can see our production schedule here at the board. We update each day. Okay. And next one is our technical department. We have 4 engineer team for production line. Yeah. Our R&D have independent testing department with professional test instrument like the sealant to show the value for the output. Constant temperature and humidity both for high and low temperature and humidity testing. Yeah, and here we can see our testing. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And this is our VIP room. Okay, can show here. Our customer often takes long journey coming to factory, so we hope they can have a rest here if they need. And next one is our fitness center. Yeah, this is our yoga activity room. We open to each of our employees. Our company hopes every employee can have good healthy and work happily. Okay, here you can see our master family tree here. You can see our photos, our mission, our visions, and our dream here. Yeah, you can see the photos. Okay, and the left side. The left side is our rest area. We will hold a birthday parties and we will celebrate for every Chinese festival here. Yeah. Okay, next step is to the fourth floor. It's the Smt Workshop. Go ahead. Okay. Yeah, this is our PCB Production Workshop because it is dust-free and anti-static workshop. So before we come in, we need to wear the anti-static clothing and anti-static cap and also the shoes cover. Before we enter to the Smt Workshop, we need to use the electrostatic discharger. Yeah, you can see it's turn red to green. Okay, and we also have the ionizing air blowers. And we have the anti-static floor. We can see Yeah, it is the anti-static block. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. From the left, yeah, here, excuse me. From the right side, we have the, yeah, work schedule here. Yeah. You can see each day's work and the component workshop. And also here is the office. Yeah, and the material area. Okay. Yeah, we go to the Smt Workshop first.
For the Pcb production, first process is the SMT. So
Yeah.
we will introduce SMT workshop first. Here it is.
Yeah. Yeah. Here, go straight. We would introduce our big machine one by one. Okay, the first one is the automatic loader and dispenser. Yeah.
For the whole production, we only need 1 workers.
Okay. Yeah. The next one is the high-speed place machine. It can work 20,000 parts per hour. We have two high-speed place machine, and this one is the integrated place machine. It can work 15,000 parts per hour. Yeah, and automatically. And you can see the PCBA board is going to the reflow soldering machine. The introduction of SMT has ensured the PCB's production capacity, reduced the errors and leakage of components on the PCB, reduced the input of personnel and the manufacturing cost. The chip resistors and capacitors used are mainly made by Yago Taiwan brand. Okay, the finished PCB. After the soldering, and we will need to do the extraction. We have the AOI extraction machine. Yeah, it's the small package here. Finish production and keep it here, and we can show the AOI machine. Yeah. Oh, you can see have the finished PCBA board. Yeah, you can see the big machine is the AOI, Automatic Optical Exception. The introduction of AOI eliminates the wrong and missing parts, polarity, deviation, thunderstorm reverse, and damage on the PCB board, which greatly improves the quality of the screw board. AOI exception can reach 100 pieces per hour, reduce personnel input and production costs, also increase PCB production capacity. And next one, we are going to the protection of the PCB board. We call it automatic paint line. Here, we can see our automatic paint line. Yeah, you can. It's the PCBA coating area. Welcome. This automatic painting line, the main function of the thermal coating is dust-proof, moisture-proof, anti-corrosion. At present, the control part PCB, PV surface, mainboard, module machine PCB will use the 3 anti-paint treatment. The use of 3-proof paint guarantees the application of the product in some harsh environments and reduce the failure rate of the product. Okay, you can see, yeah, the finished part here. Yeah, the control board after coating. Okay, next. Next, we go into the full PCBA board production. First, we start from the component process. Yeah, go straight here. Okay, go. Okay, we
把
from.
整麦克风靠小一点，靠小一点，按这个点啊，点，2方。
Okay, okay, yeah. For us, please. Yeah. We go the first from the head to the end. Yeah.
不是讲，等一下。
好，走前面。OK， go in。Yeah, it's the component forming line. Yeah, it's the component forming line. And we can see the small equipment here. First, we have the electric resistance forming machine. Yes, and the capacitor cutting machine. Okay, go in. Yeah. Okay, next one. Yeah, we can see here. Yeah, maybe we can try if we can show. Okay, we can show the ESOP here. The introduction of ESOP standardized the work equipment of employees, and the paperlessness reflect the energy saving and environmental production of the enterprise. Also improve the efficiency when changing the production line. Okay, and you can see. For major electronic components, IC MOSFET, we use word label brands like IR or TI, Discharger, EPP of Germany, and so the brand. And this is the web soldering machine. We use the short-foot operation to avoid the component legs being too long, which leads to jetting, which can better control the weight of tin and reduce the manpower input for cutting components. We have two web soldering machines, one for lead-free and one for lead-free operation. The lead-free operation complies with RoHS standards. Yeah, it's working.
看不见。看不见。
Can see? It's dark. Oh, yeah. It's section. Okay, we can see the computer. We have the data show. Okay, yeah, and this is the ICT. Yeah, we can see here. Oh, component. 你好，这里要工作吗？要上板子吗？不用啊，那可以给我们测一个板子吗？我们现在
那边，那边，那边。
Okay, we can, Edward, we can go here. Yeah, here.
Next line.
Yeah.
Next assembly line for the PCB.
Yeah. We can show that this is another assembly line for the Pcba, and this one is the ICT for testing. The ICT tester uses the resistance test method, accurate feedback, open circuit, short circuit, welding situation of all parts on PCB, and feedback which component is open and short at which part, which complements with the AOI and improves the PCB path rate. Yeah, all the PCB board function tests. All PCB needs to pass function tests to ensure the goodness of each PCB works and improve the stress-through rate of the whole machine assembly. And we can show the schedule work for the yeah. Yeah, we can see. Okay. Here is the standard guided work for each item because we have many production, such as the PV18, PV30, PV35 series, and also UPS board. So each board is different. We have different standard board, work guidance, and a finish board. And we go straight here and to the assembly. Excuse me, maybe Edward, I would like to show this one, the QC inspection area. This one is for the personnel work. Means that after the machine work, we also have the personnel work to double check the PCB board. And see, here is for the repair. Just we say they are doing the cut the foot of the PCB board. Okay, now we are going to the production line. Go straight here. And you can see at the right side is the leaf free. We go straight, you can see the machine. This one is the leaf free web soldering machine here. Okay, Okay. We are going to the Production Workshop only.
Okay, after the PCBA work, now we are going to the fifth floor. It is our assembling production line. Altogether, we have 8 assembly lines. I will show you in seconds later. Okay, now we arrived at the final assembly workshop. Altogether, here is 8 assembly lines. Our product lines are wide to meet different customers' requirements all over the world. Our assembly line are many short to save the change of different products.从那一头开始。In production line, we use the ESOP, means the Electronic Standard Operating Procedure. With high efficiency working, also could have saved more paper and friendly for environment. In assembly, the next operation staff will check the previous operation. Every workers are QA to assurance the quality. IPQC means the input process quality control will check each operation point in the production process to avoid defects during the operation. The first item will be confirmed before production, which ensures the smoothly of assembly and greatly improves production capacity. Each workers have the standard guidance with the computer. After assembling, the machine will do the ATE testing 100%. Automatically testing machine install the software to testing below item one by one. First, check the output parameters, such as the voltage, frequency when PV power on. Second, check the output parameters, such as the voltage, frequency when utility power on. Third, check input and detect output parameters when AC input in high voltage and low voltage. Fourth step is to check the maximum charging current combined utility and solar. The fifth step is to load capacity and overload testing. Sixth is the leaf wire and the neutral line reverse test. The seventh is parameter correction, such as the input, output voltage, battery voltage, and so on. Now we are showing the RS485 communications for the inverter. We can see the parameters, and we can also set in some parameters during the communication. And you can see each product will have a card which will record the status of each product in each position. Cards of different colors can distinguish the production of different lines. Different orders of the same or similar appearance products will also use different colors to distinguish products. Avoid mixing. Products that not pass ATE testing need to add a red card. After maintenance, it will test again. Products with red cards in the production will be used as key tracking objects. Each machine SN number will be read in the card. Once customer complains, our factory can check the product production, testing again, and aging inspection, and other information in the factory through SN number. Now I will show you the aging testing workshop. After ATE testing, our machine will do aging testing. It is simulating customers' home use according to different capacity working in utility mode and battery mode. Also testing the invert mode in utility and the battery for 4 hours to assurance quality. Now each of the inverters are testing now. And this is the solar inverter auto aging testing equipment to show every parameters of the working inverter. After aging testing, the QA inspection area. The workers in this area will double check the data according to the inspection steps and verify the data of ATE. If there is defective product, the product will enter the rework process. Qualified products will enter the product package. QA testing will not less than 30%. This machine simulates the PV input and output. This is the voltage and the current and the frequency. Before product packing, QA will check the product model specifications, accessories, and standard wiring according to order requirements. The packaging worker will clean and inspect the appearance of the product, paste the product logo, and ensure the good appearance and the consistency of the product appearance. Place accessories, pack them after inspection. Now we will show you the packing materials here. This is our packing materials. And this part. And this is our packing line. The automatic packing line is used for tape playing. Now the workers is cleaning the appearance of the products. This is our repair area. This is mainly used for the QA department. When we find some defective products, and we will send it to this part, and the engineers will checking them by themselves to repair the defective product. These are some components for the repairing. Now our colleague is checking and testing. This part is the wire processing line. We use automatic cutting and a stripping machine. It increases the speed of our forming. The automatic terminal machine has ensured the firmness and overcurrent capacity of the connecting wire terminals. We use of multi-strand, multi-copper core wire greatly reduce the risk of connection wire heating. I will show you details. This is the copper wire. Yeah, you can see.
Okay, this is the production meeting room. Yeah, this one, just now you finish. And next one, we are going to the raw material warehouse. Go straight. Raw material warehouse at the 7th floor. Okay. incoming materials need to enter the waiting testing area and pass IQC inspection. After qualified, yeah. Yes, you can see we have waiting testing area. All incoming materials need to enter the waiting testing area and pass IQC inspection. After qualified, they can enter the warehouse. Okay. Yeah, we are going to the warehouse. You can see it's the raw material warehouse. After the test, the material is sent and installed here. The warehouse used shelf storage. All materials have a code, special and valuable material are stored separately. Later I will show that. Yeah, you can see our shelf storage. You can see all material has the code. Yeah, you can see the code number. Yeah. You can see on the carton we have the code for each kind of material. Okay. Yeah. Turn left. So next we will introduce the warehouse to install our special valuable material. Warehouse for the special and valuable materials. It installed separately. The materials that require humidity, temperature, and static electricity must be stored in the constant temperature and humidity box. Anti-static bags are used for storage, and easy other material to vacuum for protection and storage. That is sufficient inventory for long-term delivery material.
Okay, now we will go to the second floor for our warehouse. Okay, now let's move to the assembling products warehouse in our floor. Now we enter the warehouse for our products. Okay. Each time when we check in the product's information, we must have the serial number. Here is the SM number to show the production time and model number. And this is the product's parameters. So when you have some problems or you want to trace the products, whether it is produced by must, we must to offer these stickers with us so that we can track it. And for the bigger capacity, such as from 8 kilowatts to 20 kilowatts, for inverters and the UPS, usually we're using the wooden package. It will protect our products much well. And for our standard one, we use two kinds of cartons. One is the colorful carton. You can see this one. Another one is our brown carton. And each of the package will have the protection corner to make the package much more strong to avoid the damage during our shipment. This is the storage of the finished PCB board. In the right hand, it is mainly storage for our domestic market products. And in our left hand, it is mainly for the international markets products.
We are going to the US production workshop. This way, maybe we go by lift. Okay, okay, walk. Okay. can see our module power assembling workshop. Module power assembling workshop. Yeah, here is our UPS workshop. We produce offline UPS, online UPS. Yeah, micro data center UPS. Yeah, you can see here is the repair areas. And yeah, you can see. Yeah, the areas. And material area and the packaging place for the packaging area. I can show here the package. Okay, go straight. Okay, we can see the module UPS. We have the power range from 20K to 400 kVA, 3-phase. And you can see we have it's the power cabin assembling area here. Yeah, okay. And this one is the assembly for module. You can see. Okay, yeah. And the UPS workshop also use the ESOP. Okay, yeah. Also, it's the ESOP work instruction. We have the instruction for package, for assembling, and for repairment. Wow, you can see our product inside. It's high frequency inverter. Also here. Okay. Okay. Yeah. And at your left side, you can see the big UPS. It's the cabinet. Power range from the 20 kVA to 400 kVA. Yeah. And it's the module. Means that if you want to install 20 or you can install the 40, it's workable. And here maybe you can, yeah. We can open the door to see inside. This one is for the 200 kVA item. We installed 10 pieces module inside. Yeah, it's online UPS. Yeah. And also you can see this one is the LCD display. Oh, this one no power on, but this one is the LCD display. You can do the setting and monitoring. Yeah, and the testing. Yeah, we can see a big testing machine here. It's for high voltage testing, so need to do the good protection. Okay, and we can turn left and see our micro test area. MDC, micro data center. Yeah, this is the cabinet for micro data center. Can see? We go straight. Okay. Yeah, it's very big cabin. The big cabin can also install the air condition inside to cool the UPS. Okay. And at the right, yeah. Okay, you can see the agent testing for the UPS. It's 220 volts UPS high frequency online. It's doing the test. And you can see we also use the module testing machine. Okay. Here is the UPS assembly area, mainly for 6 to 20 kVA. Yes, can see. This one is for the 10 kVA UPS with 4 fan cooling, and you can see we have the breaker. We have the DC breaker to protect the battery input. For UPS, we have inside battery system and out external battery system. So this one is the external battery system. Okay. So yeah, we have the testing machine for the UPS here to control the quality before we ship out the goods. Yeah, this one you can see we have the inside battery. This one inside battery with. Okay. So next we are going to the after sales department. Yeah. Welcome. We have 5 engineers at after sales team. We not only do the repair, and we also do the technical support and some online training. Yeah. Do the repair. For all master products, we have the after sales user manual to introduce how to change the board, and we have the video to show our customer how to change the board, do the inspection and repair. Okay, now we are going to the 3rd floor, the office area, also the showroom. Next part, we will introduce more information about our product. Excuse me, we go this way. Yeah, we can go this way.
Now, finally, we are going back to the office area in the 3rd floor. We'd like to show you some details of our product's information. Firstly, I'd like to show these models. It is EP1800 series. For now, the power range is from 1 kilowatts to 5 kilowatts. It is a home inverter, which means without MPPT solar charge controller inside. It is the high frequency one, pure sine wave output, and with the smart LCD setting. There is a lot of protections for the inverter, such as overload, short circuit, deep discharge, etc. And it also supports the USB RS485 monitoring function. Here is the button. You can see the button pack. Yeah. This is for the RS485. This is for USB. And it can also choose for the Wi-Fi to connect with the inverters. And the next series is the PV1800 series. For this series, we have VHM, VPM, VPK, which means it has the MPPT solar charge controller inside or without the MPPT solar charge controller inside. The power range is from 1 kilowatts to 5.5 kilowatts. And the latest power factor is 1. It's built in 80 amps and 60 amps for the inverters MPPT, and have the battery equalization function to optimize battery performance and extend the life cycle. This two port, the USB port and the COM port, is for the communications between the inverters and the computer and your mobile phone. And this is also can choose the Wi-Fi for your convenient communication with the inverter. And this part is the dust anti-protection card to protect the inverters, keep clean. And we also have the hybrid inverter. It is PH1000 series. For now, the power capacity is from 3.6 kilowatts to 5,000 kilowatts. This one, we can operate it with battery or without battery. It depends on your usage. And the MPPT voltage range can power from 120 to 550 watts. There is also, you can choose the CT sensor for the grid tie optional. It can connect it with lithium battery and the Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi card is the standard one together with the inverter. There is multiple option modes for this series, such as a grid tie, off-grid, and grid tie with backup. And the full protection, such as the over voltage, over frequency, over current, over temperature, and AC short circuit automatically protection. And the protection level is IP65 for this series. And the next one we want to introduce is the low frequency off-grid solar inverter, the PV3000 series. The power range is from 1 kilowatts to 6 kilowatts. It's inbuilt in 80 amps and MPPT solar charge controller right now, the latest one. And we also upgraded it into the RS485 for communication. There is also have the power save switch, enabled to minimize standby consumption. And just beside the PV series, there is EP3000. The difference between these two is that the EP series didn't have the MPPT solar charge controller inside. So if you want to connect your inverters with the solar panels directly, you should choose the PV series. And if you already purchased the EP series, don't worry. We also have the solar charge controllers production. You can see. This is our MPPT solar charge controller. This is for 20 amps to 40 amps MPPT. And this two is for the 60 amps to 100 amps. So you can connect the MPPT solar charge controller together with the EP series, the power inverter, to build up a solar system. The next one I want to show you is our Ongrid Inverter. This model, it is the PH5000 series. The wide range of MPPT voltage is from 100 to 550 wattage, and its optional integrated anti-backflow control, continuous adjustable power factor. Also has multiple communications such as the USB, Wi-Fi, GPRS, and so on. And the MPPT efficiency for this series can up to 90.5%. And the remote monitor via computers or mobile phones are both okay. And the warranty is for 5 years for our on-grid inverters. Show them some details.
Okay, the next part we are going to the UPS. First, maybe we start from this one, the rack mount UPS. You can see this one. It's high frequency online. You can see it's different with another one because this one is the rack mount. It's easy installation. Also, you can see we have the holes here, means that this one we can install a big cabin to save the space. The model number is EH5110. We have the power range from 1 kilowatt to 1 kVA to 10 kVA, and our power factor is 0.8. It's 200 volt, single phase. And we have the external battery pack. It's similar design like this one. Okay, and the next one is the small one. It's also high frequency, online UPS. The input-output voltage is the 220, and we can have two options. Have the battery inside or external battery. And you can see this smaller one is the 1 kVA UPS, and the power factor is 0.9, so its actual capacity is 900 volt. Okay, next one is the bigger one. This one is 3 kVA, and the capacity is 2,700 volt. This one with the external battery set. So, and it connect to 96 volt. Also single phase. Okay, we go to the next one. Yeah, this one, high frequency. It's high frequency. 3-phase in and single phase out UPS. It's online. And with the external battery set. For this 10 kVA UPS, the power factor is 0.8, so the capacity is 8,000 volt. And you can see this one is the LCD. It's the LCD, and we have the LED indicator for the AC input, bypass, UPS on alarm. And here is the button for change the page and the function change. And also this one is the fan cooling. Okay, we can see this one is the bigger one. It's also 3-phase in and single-phase out UPS. It's 20 kVA and the actual capacity is 16,000 volt. And the input voltage is 380, output voltage is 220. Okay, let's see which one is the next one. Okay, the biggest one. We can see here, this one. Okay, we have the high frequency. This one, 3-phase in and 3-phase out UPS. It's high frequency online UPS. You can see the series is the EH9335 and model is the 60 kVA item. The power factor is 0.9, so you can see it's 60 kVA, but the capacity is the 54 kilowatt. The input voltage and output voltage is the same. It's around 380 volt with the external battery. And also it's the smart LCD and with the button and also the LED indicator. Yeah. And also we have the small UPS, it's offline UPS. Yeah. We have the power range from 650 VA to 2000 VA for the like in offline UPS. And this big cabin is for the module UPS. This one we can maximum install 10 modules inside. Each module could be 20, 30, or 40 kVA. Oh, this one is empty. Yeah. Oh, maybe you can see this one. Yes, the button side. Yeah. If you want to see more real products, maybe you can contact our sales to get more information. Okay, maybe look around our showroom.
Okay, so for today, me and Zoe already show you the whole situations in Master Group.
Yes.
Especially the factory. I hope you can watching this broadcast carefully and to know that Master Group is a real manufacturer and we have developed over 20 years. So we can give you the strongest support both for the products and after sales service. Then what are you worrying about now? So please trust us. Master can give you the best service and products. And we have the confidence that if we continue working in the future, you will get a very bright and sunshine future. Okay. Today, thank you for your watching, and we are ready to cooperate with you for every time and every chance. Let's work together in the near future. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.